Depot Chairman Forum of the Independent Petroleum Market Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, all depot chairmen here present. Let me read the communique issued by the depot chairman of the Independent Petroleum Market Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, in Gombe, today, Monday, the 24th February, 2025, over our non-payment of bridging claims. We are extremely frustrated that 1 year after our last demand as a forum, requesting the payment of over 100 billion owed our members in bridging and NTA claims by the Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Regulatory Agency, Regulatory Authority, NMDPRA. The management of NMDPRA have deliberately ignored our request, even after making clear promises to pay us One of these promises was made by the NMDPRA at the stakeholders meeting convened on the eve of the last strike action declared by NATO. At that stakeholders meeting, the Nigerian Association of Road Transport Owners, NATO, listed the same IPMAN bridging claim as part of their demand before the strike action would be called off. The NMDPRA promised to offset the bridging claims in 40 days, even in the presence of the National Security Advisor, Malam Nuhu Ribado, the DG DSS, Mr. Adeola Ajayi. However, 40 days have today become months with no hope of our payment. Hence, the nine northern depots comprising of Jos Depot, Gusau Depot, Mina Depot, Suleja Depot, Kaduna Depot, Kanu Depot, Gombe Depot, and Yola Depot and Maiduguri Depot have become completely grounded over these lingering debts. For the avoidance of doubt, it is imperative to state again that these debts being owed us are monies belonging to marketers and which were deducted from us at the point of payment for product in order to settle our bridging allowances. We have also continued to record death of our members, closure of our businesses, retrenchment of our staffs, and the takeover of their business premises by the commercial banks, all arising from this refusal of the NMDPRA to pay us our monies. Another worrisome development is the NMDPRA's imposition of several abnormal levies on our members. Chief amongst them is the imposition of 5% commission accruable to them at the sales of any petrol station outlet in Nigeria. Tell me, when has the NMDPRA turned herself into real estate agent, collecting a commission on sales of retail petrol outlets? There is no gainsaying the truism that the downstream retail industry is an ever-evolving one. And so as IPMAN members, we go the extra mile to renovate our outlet occasionally. to meet the international best practice. However, the NMDPRA has also made this very difficult for us, as they have also subjected our members to paying bizarre levies whenever we deem fit to renovate our petrol outlets. These are just few of many distressing levies they have forced on us. These are not only anti-governmental, they are also unconstitutional, and we are demanding their immediate suspension. As a forum of law-abiding Nigerians, we sincerely believe that we have given the NMDPRA enough time to pay us our monies in bulk and clear all the bridging claims. But in view of their constant refusal, we have therefore decided to liaise with our sister organizations, the PTD and NATO, in order to take a collective action in due course. As members of IPMAN, it is important to state that we also own sizable number of petroleum tankers driven by the PTD. And we may be forced to withdraw our tankers from loading petroleum product in a view to enforce the immediate payment of our bridging and NTA claims. We hereby call on the federal government of Nigeria, headed by President Bola Ahmed TINUBU, to fully intervene in this prolonged dispute between Depot Chairman of the Independent Petroleum Market Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, and the Nigeria Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority, NMDPRA. We will not hesitate to immediately take action in due course if our demands are not immediately met, beginning from today, Monday, 24th February, 2025. We call on our members nationwide to, however, remain resolute and law-abiding as we await our demand to be met and addressed by the NMDPRA. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless the Independent Petroleum Market of Nigeria, IPMAN, signed by Depot Chairman Forum. Mr. Abdul Ibrahim Mohammed, Depot Chairman Gombe.
If NMDPRA did not pay our money within 7 working days, we are going to withdraw our services in all over the country. And we are going to withdraw our tanks from loading and discharging. And at the same time, we are going to lock all our stations across the whole Nigeria. It's to start from today.
As I'm still here present now, I'm representing the whole independent petrol marketer of Nigeria. Yes, what I'm saying, the bridging claim, the whole bridging claims is with, the record is with them. Yes, the record is with them. Because we load the product from various depots, and they have this Aquila to verify whether we brought the product, and they acknowledge the receipt of that product. And they all have in their system. They are the one that has it, and they are paying us in bits, instead of settling it for over 2 to 3 years now. The claims is still with them.